Hi, I'm Sarah from Floral, and today I'm going to tell you guys a dupe for dahlias. So in this hand here, I've got some white dahlias, and in this hand, I've got white spider disbud mums. So we actually don't sell dahlias because of a couple of reasons. One is that they have a super short span when they're available. They're really only available for the fall time. And the second most important part is they have a really short vase life, and so they don't really stand up for a long time. And that's because their stems are actually hollow, so they have a hard time uptaking water. But a dupe is using disbud mums. So I'm gonna put them together, and while to the super trained eye up close, you can tell that they're not the same thing. If you have them in an arch or a bouquet from further back, probably nobody will actually know the difference. These disbud mums are also super affordable and super long lasting. So if you are hoping for dahlias and it's not the season, well, why not think about using a disbud mum instead? So hopefully you learned something today, and let me know if you have any questions.